Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show like a little activity I'm going to do, like an art piece with all those jelly prints that we make. I have a 1.5 inch square punch and I'll link that below. A foam brush, and I have some Elmer's glue here. I have like a gallon of it, so I have it in a lid. And what I did is I punched a bunch of my jelly prints out. And I did that in advance to save time. And I kind of put like-minded ones here and here. No rhyme or reason, really. These are a little darker, a little lighter. And I'm going to glue them on in a artistic sort of way. And let's see what happens. So hopefully I'll make something very beautiful out of some jelly prints that were just kind of, you know, we all have those. So let's get started. Okay, the beginning of this footage is a little hazy. Maybe it's just me being picky, and it's sped up somewhat. But the next part, it won't be, and it'll be much clearer. I'm kind of taping in a different way. I'm trying to get used to it. And what else? Oh, I'm in my pajamas. I didn't even realize until I was done taping. I was like, oh, you're in your pajamas. A lot of times I put rings on or something so I look nice for the camera because you never see my face hardly, because I figure, for what? You know, I mean, you want to see my artwork, who cares? But I'm sorry about that. Now I'm on YouTube in my pajamas. This was very relaxing, though. I did this in front of the television, and that's why it sped up, so I could watch TV at the same time. And I was watching Netflix, and there's no rhyme or reason. I just sort of started in one corner and then decided to start in the other corner to kind of have them somewhat meet, because I knew I didn't have enough of the same jelly prints. I didn't have enough to fill that whole sheet of paper. And I think if I would have filled the whole sheet of paper, it wouldn't have been as interesting. So I even put some of when I got near the end, as you can tell, some of the paper punches, the squares. Look there's one right smack in the middle of the paper. It's like floating in the middle. I think that it gave interest. You'll see at the end of the video, if you hang on and see the completed full final picture, you can get a better glance at the total balance of the abstract art, I guess you'd call it. So this was fun because I have a gazillion jelly prints that I didn't know what to do with. And I do have stuff, but I just keep making more and more and more of them because it's addicting. And so I might do this again. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this. I would really love it if you'd leave me a comment below. Tell me how you think this turned out. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. It's mostly just artsy stuff. I do a lot of drawing mostly, but I've been into jelly prints lately. And if you do not know what jelly prints are, I have stuff linked in the description box below through my Amazon store. So you can check all that out. And I have my social media links below too. If you want to check out my Instagram or Facebook or anything, I would love that. So let's see here. Is there anything I forgot? I don't think so. Other than the Elmer's worked pretty good, because in a foam brush, I think is kind of essential, because you're able to really control not to put too much glue down so it doesn't get all warped. There's probably a better glue to use, but I have like a gallon of Elmer's glue from when I was doing some acrylic pouring, so I needed to use it up. So other glues might work even better, but I'm going to press this under some books too, and I think that'll really make it look nice when it's finished. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this artwork. And I really appreciate your watching. I appreciate your support, especially my regular subscribers. And I have quite a few of you that comment regularly, and I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are the reason that I keep going with this channel. So we're getting ready to wrap it up here. So stay tuned for the finished, completed picture, and let me know if you want me to keep making stuff like this or ideas for jelly prints. And if anybody else has any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Thanks. Here it is all done. It reminds me of a quilt, doesn't it? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.